The ticket is not valid for journey. Returning room ticket. Free allowance for first class pass is 50 kg. Luggage ticket is prepared in 3 falls 3 कॉपी में. Public complaints are delayed at divisional level ADRM. Free allowance of luggage for first and second class season ticket is 15 kg से 10 kg. Free allowance of luggage permitted to be carried in sleeper class is 40 kg. Season ticket is general public are given up to a distance of 150 km. Head of public complaints at zonal level in AGM. Railway marking consists of पूरा है फॉर्म एंड टू स्टेशन PWB number of package D routes all when a train is running late by more than 3 hours. On cancellation of reservation ticket across and counter, full amount is refunded. TC should remit cash at booking office. TC luggage should be presented for booking at latest 30 minutes before scheduled departure of the train. If a train is cancelled, full amount can be refunded. Reserved ticket up to 3 days. Children under 5 years of age are the carried free in the all classes. The normal sleeping timing is reserved coach are from 10 p.m. hours to 6 a.m. hours. A person is detached without ticket in break when in charged first class fare plus penalty. Full form of POET is passenger operated inquiry terminal. Clergy charge collected on enjoyed reserved second class ticket is cancellation up to 3 hours in actual departure of train is 30 rupees. Unreserved waiting list RSC ticket is not confirmed after final preparation of chart. Only clergy charge will be deducted when cancellation. Rate of wharfage on bicycle is 10 per hour, 10 रुपया per hour. Season ticket can be renewed 10 days in advance of date of expiry. What is the full form of RSC? Reservation against cancellation. CRIS standard for Center for Railway Information System. In case if fare is not refunded at the station of passengers should be issued with ticket deposit receipt. Function of commercial departure are all of these: sale and transport, catering and development of traffic, monitoring public regulation. PWP standard for parcel way bill. PECB standard for parcel change of excess value. Minimum number of break journey permitted in single journey tickets 2 times. On expiry of 3 times for renewal of parcel. Wharfage charge will be collected in time of delivery of parcel. What is the full form of CVO Chief Vigilance Officer, IRCTC स्टैंडर्ड फॉर इंडियन रेलवे कैटरिंग एंड टूरिज्म कॉरपोरेशन, HOER का फुल फॉर्म हॉर्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड पीरियड ऑफ रेस्ट रूल, IVRS, इंटरेक्टिव वॉइस रिस्पॉन्स सिस्टम, ICCRP, आइडेंटिटी कार्ड कम रेलवे पास. What is the weight charge for booking in dog first class AC? फर्स्ट क्लास AC में 60 किलो कुत्ता के लिए है. What is the minimum penalty charge of person traveling without ticket? 250 रुपया. If a person found traveling with transfer of reserved ticket under which section can be punished, Section 142. When was the first train in India run? 14 अप्रैल 1853. गलत है, 16 अप्रैल 1853. Where is the headquarter of South Western Railway located? Hubli. Break jewelry period is 2 days. Exclusive days the arrived and day of departure. What is the element of congestion of male senior citizen? 40%. female के लिए 50%. How many railway zones are in India's railway? 17 जोन. MEA का फुल फॉर्म मिनिमम एक्सटेंटियल एमिनिटीज. A male railway servant may be grant penalty leave having surviving children too. पैटर्निटी लीव कितने बच्चे को मिल सकता है? 2. हाउ मेनी डेज LP कैन बी क्रेडिट कैन एम्प्लॉय इन ए ईयर? 1 साल में 30 को LP मिलता है. मैक्सिमम डेज द LP एवरेज पे द एवरेज इज 300 बचा के रख सकते हैं. द मिनिमम एज इन अवेलिंग कंजेशन इज 58 ईयर्स इन वुमेन सीनियर सिटीजन का एज इतना होता है. द पीरियड इज अबाउ रिवरेशन ARP is 120 days of the days of departure of the train. 120 days 120 दिन पहले आप रिजर्वेशन करा सकते हैं. अप टू 4 person number is can be booked on तत्काल रिजोल्यूशन फॉर्म. तत्काल टिकट 4 आदमी का एक साथ बुकिंग कर सकते हैं. करेंट रिजर्वेशन इज अवेलेबल अप टू 1/2 आवर्स, मतलब आधा घंटा पहले बिफोर द शेड्यूल डिपार्चर ऑफ ट्रेन रिजर्वेशन करा सकते हैं. एट व्हाट टाइम तत्काल बुकिंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सेकंड AC क्लास 10 AM. व्हाट इज द तत्काल बुकिंग क्लास सेकंड स्लीपर्स ऑन 11 AM, मतलब 11 बजे स्लीपर का बुकिंग होता है, 10 बजे AC का. तत्काल टिकट शैल बी इश्यूड ऑन प्रमोशनल ऑन द फॉलोइंग प्रूफ इन आइडेंटिटी ऑल ऑफ दीज. तत्काल टिकट शैल बी इश्यूड इन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फॉलोइंग प्रूफ्स इन आइडेंटिटी पासपोर्ट, पैन कार्ड, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस. नॉर्मल सीजन टिकट आर इश्यूड फॉर पीरियड्स मंथली, क्वार्टरली एंड हाफ ईयरली. नॉर्मल सीजन टिकट PGRM का फुल फॉर्म पब्लिक ग्रीवेंस रेडेसल मेंशियरी. रेशन ऑन सीजन टिकट आर नॉट परमिटेड. ब्रेक जर्नी रूल आर नॉट एप्लीकेटेड टू सीजन टिकट होल्डर, रेलवे पास होल्डर. ब्रेक जर्नी आर नॉट एप्लीकेबल टू सीजन टिकट होल्डर, रेलवे पास होल्डर एंड C इंटरल पास होल्डर, ऑल ऑफ दीज. For registering surveillance complaint against are available at What is the railway museum located? New Delhi. Diesel locomotive Banaras. Which train is the longest route length? Vivek Express. A season where the rail lines end is called terminal station. Passenger name record. PNR का passenger name. Exchanging of berth is coach between passenger is permitted with the knowledge TTE. Which of the following leave may be granted railway servant? Volunteer to donate blood in railway government hospital for railway employees. A special casual leave. DTC book is complete record of coaching earning at a station. What kind of ticket are issued in unsecured booking counter? Issuing both reservation and unreserved ticket. Who is the head of commercial department at zonal level? PCCM, Principal Chief Commercial Manager. How many divisions are there in South Central Railway? 6. अच्छा नहीं ये साउथ सदर्न रेलवे में 6 है. वेयर इज ए लेखा भवन सिचुएटेड? सिकंदराबाद. लेख भवन. विच इज द फॉलोइंग इज कंप्लीट एसी ट्रेन? राजधानी, हमसफर एंड शताब्दी तीनों एसी ट्रेन है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए पैसेंजर एमिनिटी? टॉयलेट इन एएसएम ऑफिस. पैसेंजर के लिए स्टेशन मास्टर का टॉयलेट नहीं यूज कर सकता. हेड ऑफ द पब्लिक रिलेशन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जनरल रेलवे इज? CPRO. CPRO का. The particular as the mandatory to be printed at a journey ticket as the per section 50 Railway Act 1989. Platform ticket are valid for 2 hours. Minimum distance for charge in sleeper class 200 किलोमीटर. Which of the following is a journey ticket? BPT. BPT जो है जर्नी टिकट के लिए एप्लीकेबल. चार्ज पर बेडरोल बाई गरीबरथ. ट्रेन्स आर 25. क्लर्क शोल्डर टिकट इज इश्यूड टू मिलिट्री. क्लर्क शोल्डर टिकट इज इश्यूड टू मिलिट्री individual. When a clerk sold ticket is issued, charges are debited to defense revolution. Soldier ticket can be issued to family members of soldier. Check soldier ticket is issued the exchange the military warrant number 1 IAFT 1752. Soldier ticket is issued in exchange of military warrant number IAFT 1707 and 1707A. On return journey, MBST holder can carry impetus. इज्जत सीजन टिकट are issued for those monthly income up to 15,000. 15,000. Fare of season ticket is rounded off to 5 rupees. Age limit for general student issues the continuation season ticket is 25 years. Age limit of SC/ST student issues the continuation ticket is 27 years. Market vendor season ticket is issued up to 100 kilometer only. Free monthly season ticket are valid for travel in second order classes. On outward journey, market vendor season ticket is holder are allowed 60 kg. Free season ticket are issued to baby student studying for 10th class standard. Free season ticket is issued the girl student studying up to graduation. Quarterly season ticket is fare is 2.5 times for monthly season ticket fare. Nijat season ticket is issued the maximum distance of 100 km. Normal pass ticket is issued the collection of US dollar, British dollar, Euros dollars. Indian IDRAIL pass ticket. IDRAIL pass ticket holder as standard from payment of all these. Reservation charge, superfast charge, meals charge and Rajdhani Shatabdi trains. The regulation promotion of HOR regulation station is related as cash voucher. HOR is issued by high official such of governor. Break genre is endorsement consent of all these. Station code, date and SMTT. When ticket is reserved of the break genre before the book of station not permitted. When a ticket is reservation up to destination break genre is book destination is not permitted. Maximum number of break genre permitted in circular journey is 8. सर्कुलर जर्नी में 8 गो ब्रेक जर्नी परमिटेड. ब्रेक जर्नी permitted on journey ticket distance beyond 1000 km. Break journey rule are not applicable to season ticket holders. Break journey is not permitted suburban station. Break journey is not allowed concession ticket issued for the safe purpose. Duplicate Tatkal ticket can be issued the special cash on payment of full fare including Tatkal charge. Facility none on Tatkal ticket. Change of name.